silent and has never appeared to us, yet his work has never stopped. He looks upon all lands and commands all things, and beholds all the words and deeds of men. His management is conducted in steps and according to his plan. It proceeds silently without dramatic effect, yet his footsteps advance ever closer to mankind, and his judgment seat is deployed in the universe at the speed of lighting, immediately followed by the descent of his throne among us. What a majestic scene that is! What a stately and solemn tableau! Like a dove, like a roaring lion, the Spirit arrives among us all. He is wise, he is righteous and majestic. He quietly arrives among us, possessed of authority and filled with love and compassion, and filled with love and compassion. We merrily continue our pursuits as if he has nothing to do with us. We merrily continue our pursuits as if he has nothing to do